Hello, welcome back. Today I got this gift from Dream Van. It is a hand cart or a trolley, like a grocery type cart that you can push around in the city and take your things here and there. Let's dive right in and find out what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh. This one they stapled together. So far, it looks kind of cool. This is the canvas part of the bag. And here are the parts. It's got these cool wheels. Piece of metal. More cool wheels. Okay. Gonna look and see if there's any instructions. Pretty much looks somewhat straightforward. The bag feels a really nice quality. And I think that's the bottom of the bag. Aha! It includes instructions. That's great. So it has the shopping bag. I really like the fabric. The trolley frame, the 3 wheels, a mounting shaft. That must be this, the mounting shaft. And safety pins. First part of this is so this little part just sort of clips over, and then you put the mounting shaft through the holes of the trolley frame. So if you see here, there's these holes, trolley frame. This needs to be straightened. And now, whoops. Oh, here's the pins. The pins are taped to the shaft. See? There's these little mounting pins. And oh wait. Insert the safety pins through the hole of the mounting shaft for stability. 1 pin here. You press this little metal thing right here, and then it just kind of clicks on. So right here is this metal thing, and you just press it, and the wheel clicks, and now it's on there. That was really easy. So there's the trolley. So now we put the bag on. So this part is like the bottom of the bag. I really like the construction of the bag. It's a nice thick canvas. It has a little zipper pocket here in the back for, like, you could put your phone in there or something. And it's got little Velcro straps. So just like a luggage cart, you slip it on with a strap in the back, like that. See the strap part? And then the little zipper pocket for, you know, your phone or keys or whatnot. And then it also has a nice little drawstring here that you can pull closed and just keep that. Wow, it's really well made. It has little Velcro straps for the back, so you can make sure it's secure. Oh, it has a side pocket too, and then another little spot here to secure it. And the 3 wheels are really great because these will help you go up and down steps, and the cart is really compact, and it can definitely, it will fold up easily. If you take off the bag that I just connected, and then it folds up super compact, and you can just put it in the back of your car or anywhere you need it. Wow, I really like it. Love the construction. Very high quality. I'm very impressed. This thing's ready to go. So that didn't take me any time at all to do. I'm really impressed. I like the construction of it. It's nice and quiet. The wheels just make it so easy to go up and down. I think this is a great spot for a picnic. I have sour cream and dip, potato chips, some snack mix. Got my purse. I didn't know what kind of drinks you might want, so I brought different kinds of Gatorades, some plates, and I brought some ranch almonds, some chili cheese almonds, and another Gatorade, and then some balsamic herb almonds. Want to come join me? Let's have a picnic. And it's so easy to fold up and put away in any small space. This trolley is awesome. Thanks. See you later.